In Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect weather. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas near Lewis, Delaware, Hampton, Sussex, in New Jersey, Cape May, in Maryland, Carolina, Dorchester, Wicomico, and Worcester. And for the marine, the coastal waters from Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey South to Chicago, Virginia out 40 nautical miles, including Delaware Bay. This concludes the weekly check of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station WXJ94 in Lewis, Delaware. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.
Swear.